We're actually vlogging right now. Say hi. Hello. Okay, so we're walking around right now, and it is pretty crowded. We just ate some food, and things are slowly starting to pick up. But we're gonna go into It's Sugar right now. So
I love sugar is the name of the store.
I do love sugar very much. Sugar is delicious. Okay, let's go inside. Jackie, can you stand next to it to show how big this is? These are gigantic gummy bears. This one's even bigger. See my hand compared to that one. I think I'm in heaven. Oh my god.
Just to feel young, moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving on.
Screw the candy, let's just go colored sugar already. Come on. Just put your sugar in the straw and that's all you need. Sugar cocaine. There you have it. Look at how big these lollipops are. I'm blown away. It's a whole gigantic Rice Krispie.
Look at that. Look at how big these nerds are.
I love nerds.
I have big ones at the house.
So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight.
Party. Woohoo! Party! I love martini bars. I love it. Gummy Bear Land. It's so cute and colorful. Okay, so we're gonna be walking through the flamingo right now. And I love it. I love flamingos. They're pink and girly and stuff, so. Right now I'm with one of my good friends, which is awesome. Is this a, oh, you have to go, right?
Yeah, I think this is right here.
Yeah. More flamingo stuff right here. Seems like it's happening actually. There's quite a few people. And it is a Monday night right now. We are for sure in Vegas. And just walking through the flamingo basically.
To the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight.
Okay, so we are right by the Caesar Palace right here. And I really don't know what to say, to be honest. This is embarrassing. I'm trying to think of interesting things to say. This is my first night here actually. I landed last night. I worked all day today. And we're just kind of walking around. I mean, I work all day and any bit of free time I can get is all I need to explore basically. Because there is so much to see in this world, so much to learn and so much to just explore. And I love how neon and colorful it is here. And it's just so much energy, I love it. Okay, so we have these robots that make your drinks, and it's funny because I remember they had this in San Francisco and it would make like matcha drinks and coffee drinks, but in Vegas, of course, it's alcohol. I don't know what this purple thing is, but I love it. I just really wanted to capture this. It's kind of like a like a forest fair type of thing. Actually, I remember I was here for Christmas and it was like very Chinese New Year. It was in the theme of the rat. I remember that. So I'm just gonna film a little bit of it because it's super detailed and it's really pretty. Okay, so I'm currently in the Cosmopolitan and it's really pretty. There's like a humongous chandelier right here. It's like basically in the very middle of the hotel. Hello! So I'm currently walking around the Cosmopolitan and I'm gonna be completely honest, like it's kind of weird walking around Vegas by myself. I feel like, I don't know, I guess as a girl it's a little bit awkward and I don't ever feel this way. I've been to many cities, many places, and I don't know, I just kind of feel like Vegas has this sort of artificial, fake marketing vibe to it, and I know that's what Vegas is, like obviously. It's just, it's fun with a group of friends, but like by yourself just walking around, it's just feels really weird. And I don't feel this way that often. I'm pretty damn like okay on my own, but I don't know, it could also be everything going on right now. Like we're just about to figure out the election, but just, I don't know, it feels awkward and weird. But one of my best friends is here and that's kind of why I decided to come. I have a place to stay with her. She has a meeting right now, a Zoom meeting, so I just thought I'd kind of wander around. So I just got out of the Cosmopolitan and I'm going to the Aria right now. And I've never been here before, it's my first time. But it's weird, I have to say, like, I love traveling by myself. It's really fun. Like, I love walking around with my music. For some reason, I just kind of wish that I was with someone right now. Like, I mean, yeah, it's obviously Vegas is like a group fun thing to do. I don't know, I thought it would be kind of cool to just like see the lights, but I don't know, it's just kind of weird by myself. It actually reminds me of Times Square, New York. It has that similar feeling, but it's just like a lot of gamblers and I'm not really into gambling. It's not really my thing, so it's just not really a place for me. Also, I'm not much of a drinker. I'm not even gonna drink tonight because I'm working tomorrow, so yeah. Another reason why I am not having the best time is because I realized there's actually a lot of homeless people here just kind of walking around aimlessly, and it's pretty dead. There's not that many people. There are some couples walking around, but just the vibe is, the energy is a little bit low. So I don't think it's always like this. I think it's just right now with everything happening. Vegas isn't terrible. It's just the circumstance, I would say, more than anything. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go. If I record more, I will record more, but I just want to thank you so much for joining me in these videos. It really means a lot to me because I do a lot of traveling by myself. So I feel like I'm actually just sharing my travels with other people. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. I will see you in the next video. I am heading over to North Carolina in my next video.